Cancer affects many Central Texans in different ways, and February is National Cancer Prevention Month. Dr. Stephen Brown is a board-certified radiation oncologist with Austin CyberKnife, and he is here to talk to us about cancer screenings and prevention tips during what is a pretty important month. Good morning to you, Dr. Brown.
Good morning. Glad to be here.
Well, I'm glad that you're talking to us because I know what you're trying to do is raise a little awareness. Let's talk about National Cancer Prevention Month. What's it about?
National Cancer Prevention Month actually occurs in February of every year in the United States. It is actually a time when healthcare advocates, professionals get together and spread the word on preventative ways of screening or preventing cancer in the United States.
And I know that letting people know about what to look for is very important. So I think it's really great that you guys are getting out there and getting ahead of it. Let's talk about some ways that we can reduce our cancer risk.
Well, according to the American Cancer Society, the one national organization that is really working towards developing methods and strategies for reducing cancer in the United States and eliminating cancer, the ways that individuals can actually get involved in order to reduce their risk of cancer is, one, eliminate tobacco, reduce the amount of alcohol they consumption or those that drink, stay healthy, kind of practical in the sense that maintain a healthy weight and eat normal healthy food, plenty of fruits and vegetables, and I think those are the main ways in preventing cancer.
And of course you want to be watching your stress levels too, right? Because
absolutely,
that can affect any sorts of issues that you might already have.
Stress is one of the other things that it's hard to avoid, but it's one of the things that can affect your immune system and compromise you.
Yeah, I'm sure that you can't find a working adult today who doesn't have at least a little stress, but I think that that's a great tip. Let's talk about some preventative measures and cancer screenings that people can actually do.
In terms of cancer screenings, I think the ones that are available that most people have access to would be mammography, colonoscopies, and PSAs. These are tests that can actually allow an individual to detect cancer early. That's very curable.
What's a PSA?
A PSA is a prostate-specific antigen. It's a blood test that can detect prostate cancer for men.
And I know that men are susceptible to prostate cancer, and it seems like those figures can get high, especially if they go unchecked. So I think that that's an important tip as well. If you've got a cancer diagnosis or maybe know somebody who does, how can Austin CyberKnife help?
Austin CyberKnife, well, I think the one thing that all patients should do is become an advocate. That means learn about their diagnosis, their cancer, their treatment strategies, and what treatments are available. And I think you have to become an advocate by doing research, investigating how different treatments will affect you, but then also look for second opinions. Austin CyberKnife can provide those second opinions. By calling Austin CyberKnife, we can at least discuss different types of treatment for cancer and review those. And I think it's important that anyone look for a second opinion just to look at all the options that are available.
You guys are a team of seasoned professionals, and not only that, but you can help treat a cancer should need be. So thank you so much, Dr. Brown. We really appreciate your time this morning.
Thank you.
Austin CyberKnife is located on I-35 near the Dell Seton Medical Center at the University of Texas. Call them 512-324-8060 or go to austincyberknife.com for more information.